Okay, I welcome you all to the class of integrated marketing communication. So, here we are going to learn about how marketing is going to impact, how the integrated marketing communication is going to impact the way people are selling their products, and how this integrated marketing communication plays a vital role when we talk about, say, advertising, we talk about promotions, we talk about publicity. Now, before I dive into the concept of integrated marketing communication, let us see what the American Marketing Institution has to say about the marketing. When we think about marketing, it is easy to imagine flashy ads, catchy slogans, or even your favorite products on the shelf. But marketing is much more than that. The American Marketing Association defines marketing as the process uh, of planning and executing the promotion, the conception, the pricing, the promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational objectives. Now, let me break down for you. Planning and execution, the conception. That is, it all begins uh, with the understanding of consumers' needs and desires. Whether you are launching a new product or a new idea, the first step is to envision something that resonates with your audience. This isn't just about being creative, it's about being strategic. The goal is to create a solution that truly adds value. Pricing. Once the product or service is conceived, it's time to determine its value. Pricing is one of the most powerful tool in marketing. It has the stroke, strike a balance between customer, what he is willing to pay, and the business goals. So it is not about numbers, it's about positioning your product in the market. Then comes promotion. Next comes the promotion. How do you tell people about your idea, your product, or your service? Whether through traditional advertising, digital media, or word of mouth, promotion interest builds awareness and ultimately drives demand. Distribution. Then you need to make your product get the people who want it. Distribution about ensuring that your product or service is available at the right time, in the right place, and in the right quantity. This is this can be through retail, online, or other channels to reach your customer. Exchanges and objectives. At its core, marketing is about creating exchange. It's about building relationship between business and customer, where both sides feel they have received something of value, whether it's a consumer buying a product or business reaching its target. Those exchanges are the foundation of any successful marketing strategy. In short, marketing is a dynamic process that combines creativity with strategy, understanding consumer needs, and making sure products and services reach the right play people at right time. The ultimate goal to satisfy both individual and organizational objectives. That is the essence of marketing as defined by American Marketing Association. A thoughtful, a deliberate process that creates value, dives business, and builds lasting connection. Hence, marketing is where strategy meets creativity to real world value. Now, As we all know that we have 7 P's of marketing, that is price, place, product, promotion, physical evidence, people, and processes. Let me explain you with the example. In the world of marketing, success isn't just about selling product, it's about creating an experience. Hence, let's dive into the 7 principles of real-time examples. Price. Take Coca-Cola. Its price point is designed to be accessible for almost everyone, everywhere. Coca-Cola has made sure that the product is within the reach of the masses, maintaining a balance between affordability and brand value. Place. Where do you go for refreshing Coke? McDonald's? With thousands of outlets worldwide, McDonald's places its brand where consumers need it most, conveniently located for a quick meal any time of the day. Product. Patanjali Dantakranti is an example of product that stands out for focusing on natural ingredients and Ayurvedic benefits. And in a crowded market of oral care product, it appeals to health conscious consumers who want something more than just a traditional toothpaste. Promotion. Brands like Coca-Cola, Patanjali, the McDonald use a variety of promotional channels, TV, newspaper, and digital media to keep their messages fresh in front of their consumers. Effective promotion means keeping your brand visible and relevant across platforms. Physical evidence. Think of FedEx. When you see FedEx delivery vehicle on the road, it's more than just a truck. It's a symbol of reliability. The FedEx logo on the truck reinforces trust that your packages will be delivered safely and timely. People, luxury hotels like Hyatt, Taj, JW Marriott understand the importance of people in delivering a memorable experience. It is not just about the room, it is the service and the people who create an atmosphere for comfortable care and excellence. Process. Starbucks is the great example of how process can elevate customer service. Every step from the moment you ordered and to the final sip of your coffee is streamlined to ensure consistency, quality, and making the process as enjoyable as the product itself. So, whether it is the price, place, promotion, or people or product, the 7 P's of marketing work together to create powerful brand experience. It is the combination of strategy, consistency, and a deep understanding of what consumers truly value. So, with this, with this, I just end up a first concept into the integrated marketing communication. See you in the next class.